According to BBC, Washington Post, Psychology Today, India.com, all are talking about Indian citizen. Indian citizen has taken over the globe. This question rises, what is the specialty of Indian citizen, that why people all over the world are talking about Indian citizen, and why the multinational companies want to take Indian citizen? There is no denying the fact that Indian citizens are very hardworking, and many international companies, national companies to White House, they all want the Indian citizen to control. Even the President of America, Joe Biden, said that Indian Americans are taking over the country. Why? Because we can see the appointment in his cabinet, the Vice President Kamal, she is also an Indian American, as well as the Governor of Carolina, who is also running for presidential candidate. Vivek Ramaswamy, all knows about Vivek Ramaswamy. He is also running for presidential candidate. From Canada also, there are Indian citizens who are taking part in election, or to Australian MP. He is also an Indian American. It is pertinent to discuss why Indian citizens are so much successful in this contemporary era. According to the Washington Post, Indian American makes it obvious that the American dream is alive and well. The newspaper says that Indian American constitute less than 1% of the US population. And companies such as PepsiCo and MasterCard as presidents and deans of America's most prestigious colleges. The pinnacles of journalism, dominating fields such as technology, scientific research, and medicine, and thriving in industries such as hospitality, transportation, and real estate. So we can see the world of Indian citizens all over America as well as all over the globe. There is one more important thing, that when Indian citizens travel to outside countries, they are mostly educated. According to the US Consensus Bureau, 76% of Indian immigrants aged 25 or more have a bachelor's or higher degree, and the vast majority are proficient English. That means the specialty of Indian citizens, that they know what to tackle and how to tackle. Their education background is also very strong. Unlike unlike citizens of other South Asian countries, they are not very much educated. Another important thing that makes Indian citizens unique is their skillful labor. For example, we can see the success of Middle East countries like Dubai, how Dubai is flourishing because of the Indian citizens working there. That is why Dubai Amir has also built a temple. The reason is that the simple is in population of Hindus. Moreover, there is a question that why Indian citizens are not successful in their homeland. Answer is simple: because of the division in the society, the internal discord in the society, the political instability, and the inflation. Moreover, we can see that people are divided. For example, they are divided into Gujaratis, Punjabis, about recently Sikhs, Hindu, and Muslims. They are all divided. That makes very hard for Indian citizens to prosper in their country. And most of the students in India, they migrate to United States of America because America gives ample opportunities to them. Also, we have seen the previous election of Donald Trump. When he came to power, he said he used the doctrine that America first. Why use the mantra that America first? Because most of the people had the question that why foreign people are coming and taking the job. Donald Trump used this mantra to attract the voters, that he will give job to them. If we see critically, that Indian citizens were hired because of their intelligence, because of their hard work, because of their skillful labor. If we see in this contemporary era, we can see that the CEO of Microsoft company, Satya Nadella, he is also an Indian citizen, and he was elected on his performance. In addition to this, one school of thought says that Indian citizens are successful because of the four major factors. First, because of their mentality, they don't say no to anything. They get their work done. Second, the language factor. They are very proficient in English language. Thirdly, the human capital. The people who migrate from India to any other country, because we can say that they are the greatest brains. We can say they are the cream. And the labor, similarly, the labor who migrates from India to other country, they are the highly skilled people. And the fourth factor is Human Development Index. There is also another major factor that Indian citizens become successful in the other countries, because when a Hindu migrates to other country like in America, he basically supports his colleagues, and basically he makes the path very easy for other students to come here and work in America, in England, and in any other country. There is a strong bonding between the people of Indians. This makes Indian supreme. According to the Psychology Today, 77% of Indian citizens have college degree. And if we compare to this ethnicity group to other group, comparison, only 39% of all immigrants have the college degree, and 31% of native-born Americans are called graduates. And also, if we see the current government of America, Joe Biden has also recruited many Indian citizens in his cabinet. For example, if you see Azra Zia, the Undersecretary of State for Civil Security, she is also an Indian citizen. The Mana Adaiga Policy Director to Dr. Jill Biden, Aisha Shah, Samira Fazli, Deputy Director. We've seen U.S. National Security Council, Samona Goha, Sabina Singh. In addition to this, two Indian Americans, Nikki Haley and Bobby Jindal, they have also ruled as governors of Louisiana and South Carolina. When Indian citizens migrate to other country, it not only helps them, but it also helps the country also. For example, it generates remittances. For example, India earned $111 billion in 2023. When Indian citizens go outside, they basically promote their soft power also. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.